Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are talking about one of the most anticipated cameras in the mirrorless world, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. If you are a photographer, a filmmaker, a YouTuber, or someone who simply loves new technology, this camera is something you should definitely keep your eyes on. Canon has not officially launched it yet, but the leaks, rumors, and industry reports are already creating massive hype. In this video, I will explain everything we currently know, what is expected when it might be released, how much it could cost, and why this camera could become one of the most powerful mirrorless cameras ever made. The original Canon EOS R7 already proved that crop sensor cameras can be fast, powerful, and professional. It delivered excellent autofocus, high-speed shooting, strong video performance, and amazing image quality for its class. Now Canon is preparing to take things even further with the EOS R7 Mark II. According to multiple industry sources and camera rumor platforms, Canon is planning to release the R7 Mark II in the first half of 2026. This means we could see an official announcement very soon, possibly around one of the major camera events or Canon's own product showcase. While Canon has not confirmed the exact date, the consistency of these reports strongly suggests that the camera is already in its final development stage. As for the price, nothing is confirmed yet, but early leaks indicate that the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could be priced between $1,700 and $2,000 for the body only. This would make it more expensive than the original R7, which launched at a lower price. However, the reason for this increase is simple. The Mark II is expected to bring major upgrades in sensor resolution, video performance, autofocus technology, and overall build quality. Canon seems to be positioning this camera as a premium APS-C option for serious creators who want professional performance in a smaller body. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the R7 Mark II is its new sensor. The original R7 uses a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, which already delivers excellent detail. However, the Mark II is rumored to feature a brand new backside illuminated APS-C sensor with a resolution close to 39 or even 40 megapixels. This would be a massive jump and would place the R7 Mark II among the highest resolution crop sensor cameras in the world. With this kind of resolution, photographers will be able to crop more, print larger images, and capture incredible detail for wildlife, sports, landscapes, and studio work. In terms of image quality, the new sensor is expected to offer better dynamic range, cleaner low-light performance, and more accurate colors. Canon has been improving its sensor technology with every generation, and the R7 Mark II is expected to benefit from these advancements. Combined with Canon's powerful image processor, this camera could deliver fast performance with minimal noise even at high ISO levels. Video is another area where the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to shine. Many reports suggest that Canon is planning to introduce much stronger video capabilities in this model. Some leaks even mention the possibility of 8,000 recording or extremely high-quality 6K and oversampled 4K video. If this happens, the R7 Mark II would become one of the most advanced APS-C video cameras on the market. This would be a huge step forward for content creators who want cinematic quality in a compact and affordable system, along with high-resolution video. The camera is also expected to offer improved heat management, longer recording times, higher bitrates, and advanced video codecs. Canon understands that modern creators need reliable video tools, and the R7 Mark II could be designed to meet those demands. Features such as Canon Log, high frame rate slow motion, and professional audio support are also expected to be part of the package. Autofocus has always been one of Canon's strongest areas, and the R7 Mark II is expected to take this even further. The camera will likely use Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with deep learning technology. This means faster, more accurate subject tracking for people, animals, birds, vehicles, and even sports action. Whether you are photographing a flying bird, a racing car, or a person walking towards the camera, The autofocus system is expected to lock on quickly and stay locked. The burst shooting speed is also rumored to improve. The original R7 already offers impressive continuous shooting, but the Mark II could reach around 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter. This would make it an excellent choice for sports and wildlife photographers who need to capture fast-moving subjects with perfect timing. Image stabilization is another area where the R7 Mark II is expected to improve. The camera is rumored to feature enhanced in-body image stabilization that could provide up to 8 stops of correction. This would allow users to shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds and capture smoother video footage without the need for a gimbal or tripod. In terms of design and build quality, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to feel more premium than its predecessor. Reports suggest a magnesium alloy body with full weather sealing, making it suitable for outdoor and professional use. The grip is expected to be more comfortable, and the electronic viewfinder could be larger and sharper. The camera is also rumored to include dual memory card slots, possibly one SFexpress and one SD card slot, giving users flexibility for both photography and video workflows. The R7 Mark II will continue to use the Canon RF mount, which means it will be compatible with Canon's growing lineup of RF and RFS lenses. This is a huge advantage for users who already own Canon glass. With the right lenses, this camera could become an all-in-one solution for photography, filmmaking, and content creation. When compared to the original R7, the Mark II is shaping up to be a major upgrade. Higher resolution, better video, smarter autofocus, faster shooting speeds, and improved stabilization all point to a camera that is designed for serious creators. Canon appears to be listening to feedback and building a camera that bridges the gap between enthusiast and professional systems. So who is this camera for? The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to be perfect for wildlife photographers who need reach and speed, sports shooters who need fast autofocus and burst rates, hybrid creators who shoot both photos and videos, and YouTubers who want professional quality in a compact setup. It is also ideal for travelers and vloggers who want a powerful but portable camera system. Before we wrap up, let's talk clearly about the two biggest questions everyone is asking. When is the Canon EOS R7 Mark II coming? And how much will it cost? Right now, Canon has not officially announced the camera, but several trusted camera industry sources are reporting that the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to be released in the first half of 2026. Many insiders believe the announcement could happen between March and May 2026, possibly around major camera events or Canon's own launch timeline. This makes sense because Canon usually refreshes its popular models during this period. So while the date is not 100% confirmed, the release window is looking very strong and very close. Now let's talk about price. Since this is a major upgrade over the original R7, the Mark II is expected to launch at a higher price. According to early market estimates and leak reports, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to be priced between $1,700 and $2,000 US dollars for the body only. The original R7 launched at a much lower price, but with the rumored high-resolution sensor, advanced video features, faster performance, and premium build, Canon is likely positioning this as a more professional APS-C camera. So if you are planning to buy this camera, you should start expecting it around mid-2026, with a premium price tag that reflects its powerful upgrades. To wrap it all up, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most exciting camera releases in the APS-C category. While nothing is officially confirmed yet, the leaks and rumors suggest that Canon is preparing something truly special. If the final product lives up to these expectations, the R7 Mark II could become a new benchmark for crop sensor mirrorless cameras. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited about, and I'll see you in the next video.